Billing in Workamajig is actually one of my very favorite parts. It's very simple, but it's also making sure that you're not missing out on any billing opportunities. So we're first going to take a look at the Today page for billing. When you go into the Today page for billing, it's going to have a left navigation of all of the different components in the billing area. So we'll see if we have billing worksheets out for review. The system will constantly be monitoring our projects for billables. So you can put any day in, but it will default to today's date. And that way, all of your projects will tell the system what kind of billables do we have available. Now, how does it know? Well, your project knows. So each of your projects will have a designation. Are we billing this project time and materials based on actuals? Are we billing this project based on an agreed upon budget, a fixed fee? Do we have projects that are being billed through an agreed upon retainer with our client? And do we have any media that's being placed that needs to get billed? So all of those will constantly be monitored to make sure that we know what kind of available billings we have out there. Down below is more about where those invoices are. And of course, the views area of Workamajig is always about reporting. As we've seen throughout Workamajig, there's a variety of reports in each of these different sections that are geared around someone who is doing these functions. So all of these areas that are pertaining to billing are available for reporting, so the billing people do not have to be going to different portions of the system simply to pull their reports. As you can see, the area in the Today for billing is really making sure that all of the information is monitored so that we have easy access, but we're also filled with knowledge of what do we have available to bill.